Welcome to Quiz Off. Today, the Element of Gold special. Which famous river is historically associated with gold mining in California? American River. Which ancient civilization associated gold with the sun? Inca. Gold is best described as which type of element? Metal. What is the chemical symbol for gold? O. What is the Latin name of gold? Aurum. Which property makes gold ideal for jewelry? Malleability. What unit is used to measure the purity of gold? Carat. Pure gold is how many carats? (24). Which country is currently one of the largest producers of gold? China. What is the atomic number of gold? (79). Gold does not easily react with air or water. This property is known as what? Corrosion resistance. Which famous historical event was driven by the discovery of gold in California? Gold rush. What is the density of gold approximately in grams per centimeter cubed? (19.3). Which medical application uses gold? Cancer treatment. Which famous mask discovered in Egypt was made largely of gold? Tutankhamun's mask. What form of gold is traded on global commodity markets? Bullion. Which technology industry heavily uses gold due to its reliability? Electronics. Gold is primarily found in nature in which form? Native form. What happens to gold when exposed to most acids? It remains unaffected. Which mixture of acids can dissolve gold? Aqua regia. Which celestial event is believed to create gold naturally in the universe? Neutron star collisions. What is the melting point of gold in degrees Celsius? (1064 C). Which chemical process is commonly used to extract gold from ore? Cyanide process. Which continent has the largest known gold reserves? Africa. Which ancient metalworking technique involves hammering gold into thin sheets? Gold leafing. Which country was the first to introduce gold coins as currency? Lydia. What is the main use of gold in modern electronics? Corrosion-resistant connectors. What is the primary reason gold does not rust or tarnish? Low chemical reactivity. Which gold purity is commonly used in jewelry in India? (22 carat). Which famous structure has a top layer plated with gold? Golden Temple. What is the approximate boiling point of gold? (2856 C). Thanks for taking part in this quiz. Hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. We have more exciting quizzes in store with different topics, so be sure to check them out. Until next time.